Okay, so Numer beta, in this video, what Numer going to do? Numer needs to find out which two numbers you need to add to get your answer 4. Okay, so whenever you are going to make an addition sentence, so you need to add all the numbers less than 4. Okay, so
Okay.
here is the your target number is, so what is your target number?
4.
4. Okay, so uh, if you add 0 to your target number, okay,
Mm-hmm.
you always get the same number. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so come on. So would you please start writing numbers here in the missing blanks?
4 and 0.
Yeah, good boy. So look Numer here what you can do. So you can do 0 add 4.
Yeah.
Or you can do 4 at 0. Okay, so if you are starting from here, so 4 add 0 is equal to 4, right?
Yeah.
Now next we got
3 and
3 add 1. So Numer will write 3 add 1 makes 4.
Can I write 1 at 3?
You can do that, but okay, just write 1 add 3. Okay, okay, so what other ways you can make the number 4?
2 at 2.
Good boy. So this is it's just single number left here. So there is no there is no other number available to add to add to 2. So what we will do, we will add 2 twice to get the number, to get the total 4. Okay.
Yeah.
So now just two other ways left. Find out. So you know that so when we change the order of the number, we still get the same answer. Good boy. So 1 add 3 makes 4, 3 add 1 makes 4. No, you cannot write 2 add 2, 2 add 2 again. So what is the last way left to make number 4? So you can, this is wrong. So what you can do, so Numer used 1 add 3, 3 add 1. So what about 0 add 4? Yeah, okay, so come and write 0 add 4.
I'm doing 4.
0, no, you already did 4 add 0. So this time Numer will do 0 add 4. So 0 add 4 makes 4. Okay, good boy. Now look down here. Okay, so we got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, come on, start adding numbers. So all the numbers must be less than 5 because the total is 5. 5 is the greater number. So come on, what will you do? So you can, so 0, so you can take one from the top and one from the bottom. Okay, so you can do, oh yeah, okay, 5 at 0, or you can do 0 at 5. Come and do 0 at 5.
I didn't.
Write 0 at 5, so you will get the 5 answer. Okay, so these two done. Now one from the second from the top and second last from the bottom. So 1 at 4 makes 5. So you can also do, if you change the order, you will get the same answer. Come on. No, it's 4 at 1. So it change the order. What will you write here?
1 at 4.
1 at 4. Good boy. Okay, now we got 2 and 3. So 2 at 3 makes, write fast beta.
2 at 3.
Yeah. 2 at 3.
5.
5. And now what is the last way to get 5? What will you do?
3 at 2.
3 at 2. Good boy. 3 at
2.
2. Okay, so now Numer will...
It's challenge time.
No challenge time. Numer will do this now.
What's this?
Oh, wait, beta. Okay, so now we do on this side. Okay, so we our target number is 3. So we got the all numbers between 0 and 3. Here 0, 1, 2, 3. So will you, so Numer beta, how can you add two numbers to get answer 3 every time? Come on. So Numer taking 3 and 0. Okay, and then 0 changing the order, and Numer writing 0 at 3. Good boy. And then 1 and 2. Okay, and then, oh, Oh, good boy. So Numair wrote 2 at 1 first and then 1 at 2. Good boy. Now solve next. So now our target number is 2. Okay, so 0, 1, 2. So Numair will solve it. This. Come on. I can't see. What are you writing? Numair, beta, kya kar rahe ho? What you doing? Right
Hey.
na? Right, Numair? Okay, so 2 at 0. 0 at 2, and it's just one number left. So what will you do? 1 at 1. You will add this number twice. Good boy. Now next. So we got 0, 1, and our target number is 1. Come on, write fast. 1 at 0, 0 at 1. Good boy. Okay, so now challenge time. So we got in what we got in a challenging. Our target number is 7. So Namer beta, what you need to do? What you going to do? Okay. No, listen, mommy, it's a good attempt. Okay, so 6 at 1 makes 7. So what you need to do, you need to write the numbers less than 7 here. So write any number less than 7 here. So you have chosen 1, 6. Write two another numbers less than 7 here. Come and write.
1 at 6.
No, we will not repeat the number. Come on, just choose any other two numbers less than 7 right here. One here and one there. No, not 1. You already used 6 at 1. We are not going to make 1 at 6 again. Choose any other number less than
5
7.
at 2.
5. So come on, write 5 here. 5. Okay, add 2. Okay, now 1 left. Choose any other number less than 7 except these 4 numbers. Good boy, you passed it. Okay, so we got 6 at 1, 5 at 2, 4 at 3 is equal to 7. Now move on to next target number, which is 8. So 7 at 1, good boy. And so choose numbers less than 8. Any number less than 8. 5 at 3, good boy. And next, any number less than 8. 4 at, well done, Mira beta. Okay, come on. This one, please. Do fast. We have less time. 8 at 1 makes 9. Okay. Any number less than 9. 7 at 2. Good boy. And good boy. 5 at 4. Okay, now 6. Our target number is 6. 6 at... Our target number is 6. 6 at... So whenever you add any number, whenever you add 0 to target number, you get the same answer. So 6 at 0 is equal to 6. Okay, next, choose any two numbers less than 6. 4 at 2. Good boy. 3 at 3. Well done. Well done, mera beta. So now we are going to do ways to make 10. In order to remember the pairs to make 10, we will place the dots on the numbers. So we have the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And for 0, we are not placing any dot on it, because we know that when we add 0 to our target number, we get the same answer, like 0 at 10 is equal to 0. Now for on one number we will place one dot, for 2 number we will place 2 dots, for 3 dots, for 4 dots. We are not placing any dot on 5, and then we are placing 4 dots on 6, 3 dots on 7, 2 dots on 8, and 1 dot on 9. Okay, Namer. So let's start making our number sentences for 10. So come on, Namer. Which two numbers would you like to choose? All these numbers are less than 10. So what you can do, you can write small numbers. Listen, mommy. You can choose. No, I can't see. You can writing small numbers here first, and then we can start making the pairs. Okay. Then we can easily find another number to add and get our answer 10. Okay, so come on, write the small number. Oh, you want 6? Okay, come on, Roman. Okay, so no matter, wait. So basically, you have chosen 6 first, okay? So 6 have 4 dots. So which other number got the 4 dots? This 4. So 6 at 4 makes 10. Okay, choose another less number.
5 at 5.
Okay, wait, please. 5 at 5. Okay, so you know, so basically, which is the other number which has 1 dot? So 1 at 9 makes 10. So if we look at the 2 got 2 dots, right? And what is the other number which got 2 dots? 8. 2 at 8 or 8 at 2 makes 10. 3 got 3 dots. Wait, please. 3 got 3 dots. Okay, and the 7 got 3 dots, right? So 3 at 7 or 7 at 3 makes 10. 4 got 4 dots, and the other number which has 4 dots, which is 6. So 4 at 6 or 6 at 4 makes 10. No, there is no other number available to add to 5, so that's why Numer is adding 5 twice to get the answer 10, right? Okay, come on, finish it. Now, what is the next number you want to write?
8 at 2.
8 at 2. 8 got 2 dots, and 2 got 2 dots, so 8 at 2 is 10. What is the next? 9. 9 got 1 dot, 1 got 1 dot, so 9 at 1, 10. What is the next number you would like to choose? 7. 7 got 3 dots, 3 got 3 dots, so 7 at 3 makes 10. Next, beta.
5 at 5.
No, you already used the 5 at 5. So no, we are in. Even if you change 5 at 5, like change the order, you will. No, we don't want the repeated number sentence. Okay, so come on. So what you can do? What else can you do? You didn't use 0.
0.
Yeah, come on. Use 0. 0 is less than 10. So 0 add what? Good boy. 0 at 10. Now, okay.
10
So
at 0.
so Namarpita, you have chosen 0986765. Okay, so okay, what else can you choose? What about
10 at 0?
Well done, 10 at 0. Okay, what next?
3 at 7.
Well done. So 3 got 3 dot and 7 got 3 dots, so 3 at 7, 10. 2 got 2 dots, 8 got 2 dots, 2 at 8, 10. Good boy. 1 got 1 dot, 9 got 1 dot, so 1 at 9, 10. And which one left now? 4 at 6. Well done, mera beta. Good boy. Okay, so now move on to challenge time. Okay, so 6 add, move 6 add, let me 6 add blank is equal to 10. So 6 got how many dots? So 6 got how
4.
many dots? 4. So what is the other number got 4 dots? 4. So 4 at 6 makes 10. Good boy. Write 4. It's not 4. Write 4 properly, please. Bless you. Alhamdulillah. Yarhamukallah. Come on. Come on. Write 4 properly. No, it's again not right. Raise it. Where is the razor? Don't waste time, please. Just raise it and write 4 properly. Look, mummy 4. Why your 4 is so ugly?
Like this.
Okay, if you want like that, then make it little bit long here.
I want a flag.
Okay, so 5 at what makes 10? 5 at what?
5.
Good boy. Next. Blank at 10 is equal to 10.
0.
0. Well done, Mera beta. Now look at this look at this one carefully. So 16 at what is equal to 20? Write 4 properly, please. So 6 got 4 dots, 4 got 4 dots. So
Yeah.
16 at 4 makes 20. Well done. Okay, 5 at what is equal to 20? No, you don't need to count and finger. You don't need to count on fingers. So 5 at what makes 20?
15.
Good boy. So 5 add 5 makes 10. So 5 add 15 makes 20. 20 add what is equal to 20? 20 add 0 is equal to 20. Good boy. Okay, now Matt, choose the number. You have said you wanted 37. Write 37 again, please. Okay, so 37 add what makes 43?
6.
6. Okay, good. Now choose any number which should be less than 89. So choose any number.
86.
You want 86? Okay,
Yeah.
fine. Write 86. So
And
86
then
add what
3.
makes 3? That was easy. Okay, what's next, beta? So we got the total 72 here.
I want I want 69.
Okay, write 69 then. 69. So 69 add what makes 72?
3.
3. Okay, clever boy. Okay, next to 58. So choose any number less than 58. Or it could be 58 too. So any number between 0 and 58.
I want 57.
57. Okay, right. 57 then. Okay, so 57 add 158. Good boy. Now here you don't have a choice. You already got 21 here.
I have a choice.
Okay, no, you already got one number here, 21. Okay, so you need to find out the missing number. So
Yeah.
how you gonna find it? So 21 add what makes 33?
12.
12. So you are counting on,
I'm counting in.
you are counting on fingers, है ना?
Yeah.
Okay, so basically 21 add 110. 21 add 110 is equal to 31. 31 add 2 makes 33. Okay, now you got 80 here and you want 99. So what is the missing number?
11.
Well done. Okay, right. So 80 add 10, 90. No man, it shouldn't be 11. 80 add 110,
Makes
19. So 90 add 1, 91.
91.
So we want this unit number 9. So what should be here? What number should be here? Is what is right? 11 or 19?
19.
So look, 80 add 110s make 90. So 90 add what makes 9? 90 add what makes 9?
90 add what makes
Yeah,
9?
90 add what makes 9?
99.
No, 90 add what makes 9? 90 add what? 90 add what makes 99? 90 add what makes 99, beta?
9.
9. So it should be
9.
19. So it should be 19, not 11. Okay. So 80 add 1 tens, 90. 90 add 9, 99.
Yeah.
And we got
10.
here 90 add 10, 100.
Yeah.
Good boy. Thank you, Namar.
Because we go